Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Me mamuni akwa about Melodies TV so. Na me go two stories, me the stories no ebebom. Nini na it involves the arrest of people. Some kaya endra me the breaking news bremo say Accra Kumasi highway ne suhum accident bi see Emma rehosema eba say nkrofo 14 efrimu ya. Out of nkrofo 14 efrim no 80 of them died. So kaya me the trail say accident no it involved a cargo truck. Cargo truck no efri Accra Kumasi area. And two vehicle passenger buses every Kumasi area eba na cargo no oduwa na ne tai pae na wode ko boss buses two yimu a mankrofo ewu ya and you see there's one thing in this country at the Biameka normally womu twi especially sa articulators ne cargo trucks no womu kwasi accident bia no mo edwane mi hu se wo bia wo twi cargo ni sa we no akosi accident a wogina hoda wutie Ghana has a mostly reporter eba wakwasi accident na wodwane wakwasi accident na wodwane ya na menti ase just wo mu hu ne se wo di boni nti wo kwasi na wodwane driver no wakwasi accident no dwane ye wono ya accident na ekum nkrofo 14 no ane ye beka se ono ne tai epaye ema accident eba ya ekum nkrofo 14 no wono edwane ye. Na breaking news at Eba say police for Ensa Asonimu. Sa driver na no wotwika. The car was from Ahasi Ayeko Burkina Faso. As I dey niko see here. Into police for Ensa Aso driver nimu. Wakose sa accident no. The yacht ne say we did 32 years. Na ni din ede Baguyan Sani. Embra wo accident ni see ya wo hu se nkrofo ba magnitude of the mayhem he had caused to who say assembly nkrofo wu ni nyamane na ton so na wodwane ye. Intino police for district police commander of Suhum a friend the chief superintendent John Owusu and address wo ba bonte be confirm ye say ne kre ya cheno intino he is aiding the police with investigations. Police for person wo mo hwe more into the matter. Ehwe say ebia ono krana ne can what for because yes it could be say ebia endra. I remember say I was talking about the spiritual side but we shouldn't take the physical side as well. It could be say be na driver na krano will be back we negligent in the sense say ebia wo hu say ne can at fault but one fa adwenya ma say oh we dey ma men kombra into ono ni laziness and na negligence no and na man crofo akwako wusa. It could be the police for your investigation and her say at the end your nankasa fault and I say it is just by nature into no in somewhere that no but say me din kan tell endra no nkrofo na ye Russia mo call hospital ye dey bi call in Sawem hospital ye dey bi mo so call the Koforidua regional hospital. Yes the yet kran say nkrofo ewu no nkrofo 6 imba 6 ewu imba 7 and I've also seen a story of akolebia ye say na ne mama ewu and akola no wenwu akola no wo ho a wo se wo hwehwe ne mama is very sad, very very sad story coming through. Intino the airban no driver no yensa asonimu police for ensa asonimu police for ayade say womo ekokochi sa driver no. Now moving on to the second story. Once normally na me nya ni say but me sha nina it involves the arrest of persons interna me de story no ababa boom. The Ghana Immigration Service in a joint operation with Ghana Armed Forces a soldier for ne nkrofo ache vehicle commercial vehicles bi na sa particular adie we menti ase ya che commercial vehicles commercial vehicles no illegal West African nationals and a team nkrofo a wo mu free Ghana and a wo mu team a wo cross border na ba Ghana. Now adie we normally na Libya ne sa places ni na esi na say Ghana has a panasa adie ni si no menti bi that say Ghana ya ti Ghana ye hu ni say oh Ghana no ebre wa ha Ghana say ade bia ye complain no say nkrofo kra bre e wo baby ba wo mu wi wo ho aba be she Ghana mu ha yes that's what is happening. Now interesting thing is say ya chi nkrofo yi no mo tre say omo wo middlemen and middlemen no agi wo mu ni na sika se ne amedi nkan tre no say wo mo a wo mo ko Libya kwantuo no saa won say Libya kwantuo na ye omo fa baby no mo tia nkrofo na e de omo ahye kan mu na e de omo akofa borders ni nyama. You see the same thing ewo eye elubo takrade ho ena wo mo say wo mo middlemen na wo mo ti omo drivers na ye omo for omo no so wo mo ti omo na me say eh ya te Ghana complain o se ne nkrofo tia na say wo mu wi omo ho aba be she Ghana and 36 people. The interesting thing is these people are not only from one country. Nkrofo ya ye ken they are from different countries. 3 every Ivory Coast, 2 every Niger, 7 every Liberia, another 7 every Nigeria, and a 17 every Benin. Yes. Chale, masa. Ya te Ghana ye complaining no sa obi Ghana ye in heaven o. Ghana ye in heaven. Akwa say Ghana need to ha. O person kwa America, person kwa America, person kwa America, but obi wa America, they be our complaining about nyame bi e ko so wo ho a enye. Nti baby a obi hu ne say enye no obi nso hu ne say ho ye heaven. Just say Ghana ye heaven mo wia wo mo ho aba. Nti police watch nkrofo 36 a say ye gu so aye investigation e toto omo ano. Hey! Na police for in preliminary investigation a wo mo conduct here say nkrofo no omo wura Ghana through unidentified illegal routes. Ewo Jomoro municipality, ewo Western region ho. Say na me din country no with the assistance of some people la wo mo jiska, wo mo tia wo mo e ma wo mo wiem through illegal routes. It's the police for your intelligence, community for any nyama, and I say police for your intelligence say bibi say NAC. Charlie, enye easy. Ha! Now, you see, idea we are more ye it is not only with the commercial drivers so. You see, ferry or more just a ferry ni canoe for nina efa or more because near ye person police for the immigration for bechi or munti said that you moko fan nsuo so nina. Said that you moko fa nsuo so. Omo bedu ye na eye Ghana drivers no. Omo so eji wo musika edi omo tinemu. Wo moba ene ekochi omo wo border ho no ngrofu yi wo mu ages between 10 to 53 onze ngrofu 36 ye bo a between 10 to 53 omo ages no nkola awom empenyufo ni na awom na ya chi omo na ye screen omo for coronavirus na ye screen omo no ye wie ne ye hande omo ma the Ivorian authorities because once ho no ebenya Ivory Coast ye hande omo ma the Ivorian authorities. Dabi. Wait there. It's immigration for Edensem Atudja on this particular matter. And person really in some or more kind of few. Now yet so say it is our considered view as a command that our unconscionable behavior is not only a threat to consolidating the collective gains made in our fight towards defeating the dreaded COVID-19 pandemic, but also an affront to the directive of the president to keep our land borders still closed until further notice. The severity of the security challenges this poses to our country has occasioned renewed operational strategies in terms of heightened surveillance and collaborations, hence the positive result. In Chicha said, still like Ghana, you're closing your borders because of coronavirus. No, and Uncle Fugomuria womo eba. It's immigration fortress. Ghana for now, womuka wa airborne for your dear Mwabano. I was saying, you're doing your mind. Ene kwanza wo dwen se wo de usika na trese enu hunti sebe wo ye ensem a ensem fata I was say ye ni na ye dwen ye man ho because wo obi a wo dwen wo man ho a na kan krofu yi wo nkon kojiska se wo man mo aba be Ghana because wo de wonim se wo mo e ba be Ghana mo a enye bebi a wo te na enye bebi a wo te na mo be wo nti no omo yare kra na emfa ho oh yes sir utumi bomman you are being selfish. So that's what the Ghana Immigration Service is saying. The police command themselves. That's what they are saying. And somewhere down on the Montreal Madrid, our comment box anymore. Just say, Charlie, saa de we emre bi meka wo Twitter because we di Nigeria for bi emsa maka wa ada because we di Nigeria for bi abomo aba Ghana ensem a no mo try about Ghana wo Twitter and na meka say hey Charlie we ye Ghana ni kwan say wo sheda complaining Charlie nkrofu ya wo mu nya Ghana for wo mo ba mai we mu a se ne wo mu hu o man ensem a wo mo ka no beka say eh ena wo bia wo ye Ghana ni bia wo tu kwan akọ other African country bia better say hey Ghana is the best obi abeka travel even though there are other African countries no maybe they might have some nice places and things abekwa ko visit but freedom ne sanyama na obi abeka travel yes Nigeria kra ko okra na otwe camera say wo video kra na ya beba bebo but Ghana has a marketplace he fa na wo video wa Ghana wo bi beba be ye obibi ti na ma ya na nkrofo epe Ghana basa no wo try mo adwon comment box ni mo me da